What's up, guys? Welcome back to BT Willa's Garage. Did you just get quoted $250 to change the cabin filter in your F30? Guess what? I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. Here is the part number, and I'm going to put a link on Amazon where you can pick this up for far less than the $120 the dealership wants. And next we're going to install it. This install process is a little bit more difficult than your average vehicle. We just did the Toyota 4Runner and it was super easy. So I'm going to show you how to do this little more difficult process. Let me get you set up and let's get started. Welcome to BT Willa's Garage. Alright guys, so the tools you're going to need for this, I'm going to put quickly here on the screen. Pretty much you need a T20 Torx bit and a 10mm, potentially a trim tool, but I don't think we're going to need that. So there's two 10mm nuts underneath here. You can see one there in the center, and there's one over there to the left. Let's see if I can show you that. See it there? And that light's in the way, but you saw the other one a second ago. So we're going to quickly remove those. I've just got a 10mm on a drill. I'm going to pop them right out and we'll move on to the next step. That's what those look like removed. Alright. So if my camera will cooperate, we're going to remove this lower trim and you're just going to kind of pop it away. Simple as that. Just be sure you don't break any clips. There we go. Ooh, I'm pushing the seat on you. Just gonna feed this line out to the left slightly. Alright, so let me make sure you guys can still see perfect. Alright guys, you're just gonna remove this clip from the charger as well as from the footwell here. Let's see how this guy wants to act. Just pulls right out. Just set your trim maybe in the driver's seat carefully. Just be sure you don't rip anything. Alright, now we get to where we need our T20. So I'm going to grab that real quick and I'm going to show you where these two T20s are. Alright, this is a pretty tough angle, but the light is shining on that one and you got one here in front of that white clip. Just go ahead and back those out carefully and drop your filter down. I'm going to try to get you set up to show that, but I'm going to go ahead and get them loose. Alright guys, so that one in the back is kind of hard to get to, so I've got this tool and is able to get into tight places. There you go, you can see that. I'm going to go ahead and pop that last one out and I'll put a link in the description to this guy if you guys want one. Alright, so now that we got those two Torx bits out, we're going to drop the filter cover down. And guys, one of the big questions and one of the reasons you're probably watching this video is there's a lot of questions about the direction. Does it go toward the engine or does it go toward the cabin of the arrows that are on this filter? So we're going to put an end to that right now. If I can get underneath here, let me take my hat off. There we go. It dropped. There's the filter. I'm going to keep it facing that way. And the arrow is going toward the cabin per BMW, guys. Toward the cabin. Mystery solved. Alright, let's pop the new one in. You're going to have to bend this new one a little bit to get it to fit. Get it to flow up in there. See, there we go. Nice and snug, and just make sure you spread it out. We can re-clip in our filter cover and install the two T20s back in. I'm going to do that off camera real quick. Just take your time, make sure it's lined up. On second thought, this tool here is too cool not to show on camera. I wish I would have used it off the get-go. All right, those are tight. Now we're gonna take our plastic trim piece and go ahead and reconnect. Don't forget to reconnect this plug and this plug for your cigarette lighter. And make sure that the retaining clips get kind of seated in the back. Yeah, just check in the back, guys, and make sure that everything, like for example, this piece needs to tuck behind, and boom, snap back into place. All right, guys, now that we got that back in, we just need to put these 10mm nuts back into place. All right, guys, there you have it. We just finished up the job. Everything's back in order. Just need to put the tools up. You guys enjoy that $200 savings, and now you know how to do this anytime you need to, I guess, every 15,000. I think BMW recommends every 1 year or 12,000 miles. So be sure to use the links in the description to buy the products. It helps us support the channel and will save you money. And we'll see you next time on BT Willis Garage. Thanks for watching.